Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A17k smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together quickly for a few seconds like this. Just press and hold the volume down and power key together, and now release. So you can see now volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm or you can also use the touch feature. Now select the language and you can see it will send you in recovery mode. Here select the format data and you can see please enter the verification code 3239. Enter it 3239 and guys you can see all user data will be reset. Format data. Now tap on format. You can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So here you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. Okay, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A17k smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.